Welcome back. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, we're going to be trying this foot massager that was sent to me by a company called Terelax USA. They sent this product to me in order for me to feature it for you all ladies out there and men, because this particular foot massager that I'm about to present to you can also be used by man or woman. We all know how stressful it can be for our feet, our legs, because we stand on it all day long, depending on the nature of your job. Some of us will sit down, some of us will stand all throughout the 8 hours. Maybe you stand there like 6 or 7 out of it. You only get an hour lunch and you are back to standing, probably, if that is your case.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy.
Before we move right into today's video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. Also, I'll be leaving the link to this product, to this company. I will leave it in my description box in order for you to be able to visit them and see so many other products that you can relate to, that each and every one of us can relate to. Trust me, I know what I'm saying when I say we can relate to. We all know the tense, the pressure that we put from all our body onto our legs, our feet. The pressure is just too much. So like I mentioned, this product is called 10 Peak Foot Massage Machine. It's sent to me by Terelax USA. This is a collection of heating and hair compression technology. It has the power, the mode, the timer, the heating, the intensity, and the hair pressure. This will massage the feet, relax the whole body, and increase blood circulation in the feet. The double roller design massages the whole foot thoroughly. It hits the whole foot to improve blood circulation. This product has 3 modes and 3 squeezes intensities that can be adjusted to personalized preference, better meet all foot massage needs. It also came with a remote and a touch screen that are very simple and convenient to use. The air compression technology wrap the whole feet more closely. The foot clothes can be disassembled and clean, making it more hygienic and tidy. So ladies, the foot cloth inside of this massager, you can actually detach it and wash it. And another good thing about this massager is it can fit up to 12 size men. So don't think about that it's only made for a woman. No, men can also use it. Rolling needle massage. This will fully customize massage preference setting, allow for perfect massage experience. 3 different pressure level with a deep kneading feature for pressure point stimulation to improve blood flow. The rotating foot massager Shiatsu modes that works wonders to foot pain relief and relieve aches, knots, and muscle tension. This is so comforting, like it's so wow. Now push the timer. It's also, you have the option of using the remote or use the touch screen right there. So the time they advise is 15 minutes. Then you can turn it off and restart if you need to do more. Oh wow, this feels so good, ladies. Well, and remember, men can also use it to size 12 of men size 12. So I'm going to touch the heating and let me see how it feels. This foot massager can help you to relieve knots in your feet, particularly, and to get rid of them. A heated foot massage is a much better option. Kick back, relax, melt your stress and tension away. Allow yourself to relax and rejuvenate to recharge your batteries and promote efficiency. The air pressure pads allow your feet to be fully encased in the massager to reach those tough areas. Heat features it presented to loosen those tense muscles and ligaments after being overused.